Want to manage your Mega files directly from your Mac? With the Mega Desktop app, you can access cloud storage, move files, sync folders, and monitor transfers right from macOS. In this guide, I'll walk you through the main features you need. Let's get started. First, download and install the official Mega Desktop app for Mac. Open the application and sign in with your Mega account. After you're connected, Mega can integrate with your Mac and provide access to your cloud files. Make sure you sign into the account you actually want to use. After setup, open Finder and look for the Mega location provided by the Desktop app. From there, you can browse your cloud files and folders. The exact Finder layout can vary depending on your macOS version and Mega setup, but the goal is the same: quick access to your cloud storage. To upload files, move or copy them into the appropriate Mega folder, or use the upload controls provided by the app. Mega will handle the transfer to your cloud storage. To download a file, copy or save it from Mega to a local Mac folder. Keep an eye on transfer activity for larger files. Next, you can configure folder synchronization. Open the Mega Desktop app settings and choose a local Mac folder you want to sync with a Mega cloud folder. Review both locations carefully before confirming. Once enabled, changes made inside the synced folder can be reflected through Mega. When Mega is transferring files, use the transfer section to monitor progress. You can check active transfers and see whether files have completed or encountered an issue. If something gets stuck, check your internet connection, storage space, and the selected files. The transfer panel is usually the first place to look. Finally, review the Mega Desktop app preferences. Depending on your setup, you can adjust sync behavior, bandwidth, notifications, startup options, and other settings. Avoid changing advanced options unless you know what they control. So start with the defaults and customize only what you need, and that's how to use Mega on a Mac. Install the Desktop app, access your cloud files through Finder, manage uploads and downloads, configure sync, monitor transfers, and adjust your preferences. Once it's set up, Mega fits neatly into your everyday Mac workflow. Pretty convenient, right?